Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to crochet a cute phone pouch. For materials, I'm using cotton yarn from Hobby. These are number 3 light category yarn, and each one is about 50 grams. Of course, you can use any type of yarn of your choice, and you'll need one of each. And I'll be using a 5mm hook, a pair of scissors, yarn needle, and stitch markers are always useful. You can find the links to all the materials in the description box. Alright, let's get started. Grab hold onto the end of the tail, make a slip knot, insert the hook, make a chain of 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After 16 chains, you should have something like this. To begin row 1, start on the second chain from hook. 1, 2, place a single crochet, in the next chain, single crochet, and place a single crochet into every chain all the way across. Total 15 stitches. To begin row 2, 1 chain, turn. In the first stitch, which is the second chain from hook, single crochet, and single crochet into every stitch all the way across. At the end of the row, we still have 15 stitches. To begin row 3, 1 chain, turn. In the first stitch, single crochet, place a marker this time, then single crochet into every stitch all the way across, for a total of 15 stitches. After 15 stitches, we'll continue to work our way around the base and back to the first stitch. We're going to work on this side. Place 3 single crochet. In the last stitch, which is at the corner, place another single crochet. That's 1. Over here, I'm going to do another one. 2. At the corner, 3. 15 stitches across on this side. In the same spot, place another single crochet. That's 1. In the next stitch, 2, 3, and 15. Place another single crochet into the same stitch. 1, 2, and over here, 3. Total, we have 36 stitches. It's important your total number is in multiple of 3. To begin the next part of the pattern, round 4, slip stitch into the first stitch, 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, place a marker into the third chain, and this counts as a double crochet stitch, another chain, total 4 chains. In the same stitch, double crochet, yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops, and yarn over, pull through the last 2 loops. Skip 2. In the next stitch, double crochet, yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops, and yarn over, pull through the last 2 loops. 1 chain. In the same stitch, place another double crochet. Skip 1, skip 2. In the next stitch, double crochet, 1 chain, and another double crochet into the same stitch. And repeat this all the way around, and I'll meet you at the end of the round. At the end of the round, there'll be a total of 12 sets of double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. To join the round, slip stitch into where the marker is, 1 chain, and pull up a loop, then leave it on the side. Round 5 is a color changing round. This is the chain stitch, and this is a stitch before the chain stitch. And I'm going to insert my new yarn in this stitch just right before the chain stitch. Insert the hook, three chains, 1, 2, 3, and this counts as a double crochet. Place a marker and make another chain, 4. In the same stitch, place a double crochet, then skip 1 and skip 2. In the next stitch, which is the stitch right before the next double crochet, place a double crochet, one chain, and another double crochet into the same stitch. Skip 2, 1, 2. In the stitch right before the double crochet, place a double crochet, one chain, and another double crochet. And we're going to repeat this all the way around until you have 12 sets of double crochet. At the end of round 5, slip stitch into where the marker is, one chain, and pull up a loop. Round 6 is the repeat of the pattern. In between the yellow double crochet, this one and this one, in here, there's the 1 chain space. Insert your hook. Place your working yarn back onto the hook. Pull through 3 chains. Or make it easier, 4 chains. But remember to place a marker into the 3rd chain, this one. In the same space, place a double crochet, and now look for the next 1 chain space of the same color. Place a double crochet, 1 chain, and another double crochet. And we're going to repeat this all the way around. We change color in every round, so round 7, we are back with the yellow color. Here is where we join the round. Under it is where we're going to insert the hook in the yellow 1 chain space. Place the yarn back onto the hook pull through, 4 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4. Place the marker in the 3rd chain to begin. This is the exact same as round 6. Repeat the pattern when it reaches the length or the size you want. Once it reaches to the length of your phone, join the round by slip stitch into the 3rd chain or where the marker is. 1 chain. In the same stitch, place a single crochet. In the chain space, single crochet. In the double crochet stitch, single crochet, and single crochet into every stitch all the way around. And I meet you at the end of the round. At the end of the round, after the last stitch, cut yarn. With a yarn needle, insert into the next stitch. Then insert into the back loop of the previous stitch. The back loop is the loop that's far away from us. This way, you'll get a nice finishing look. Lastly, weave in the tail. The next part of the pattern is to make the strap. The strap is actually pretty simple. Grab the end of the tail and leave a long tail for stitching. Make a slip knot. Insert the hook. 2 chains. 1, 2. In the second chain from hook, this one, yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, insert into the same chain, yarn over, pull up a loop, with 5 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through 5 loops, 2 chains, 1, 2. In the space over here, yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull up a loop, again, yarn over, insert into the same loop, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 5 loops, 2 chains, 1, 2. Again, yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, insert into the same loop, yarn over, pull up a loop, and yarn over, pull through 5 loops, 2 chains, 1, 2. Repeat this until it comes to the length you want. At the end of the strap, 1 chain, cut yarn, lastly is to attach the strap to the bag. The color lines up perfectly, and I will attach the strap on the inside of the orange part. There is no perfect way of doing this, so try your best. When stitching on the other end of the strap, it's important to make sure the strap is not twisted. Once it's done, you will have a beautiful phone pouch. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!